Module LaTeX, creating an article in LaTeX.
Hi all. So this will be my last video about LaTeX, and here I'm going to show you how can you start writing article. So I don't know if you remember from my introduction, but I said that actually LaTeX is widely used in publication of scientific documents in many fields, like for example including mathematics, computer science, physics, economics, and so on. So actually here in this video I've got an example of the journal which demands for their articles to be written in a LaTeX source. So the journal is called EMAS, and actually here we can read something about it. It's an international journal devoted to publication of articles in all areas of pure and applied mathematics. The journal publishes original research papers and high-quality review articles, and also is jointly published by Department of Mathematics, Faculty of Science, University of Split, and Split Mathematical Society. So let's try to see how the journal should be written. The article should be written. So here you have author guidelines, so we can click on that. And in initial submission it says the following. The submission file must be a single PDF created from LaTeX source. All formats are accepted, but preparation of the file according to the journal's LaTeX class file EMAS CLS is encouraged. The easiest way to prepare a manuscript is to download the style file, which I mentioned before, and fill in this LaTeX template file, see corresponding PDF file. So we can click on corresponding PDF file. So actually here is an example of a title of an article and the structure of an article. So here we have the idea of how our articles should be structured. So actually let's do the thing they said in author guidelines. So they said that we should download the style file. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to click here on Save As, and the very important thing here is the following. So the file which we are downloading now and saving now, image file, so the style file, and the text file, which we are going to download a little bit later, should be in the same folder. So I'm going to create a new folder. So here I'm going to click on New and then Folder. I'm going to call it Article, for example. And in this folder I'm going to first save our AMOS file, and also here LaTeX template files should be saved in the same folder. So if you don't save it in the same folder, this what we are going to do will not work. Okay, so we are going to save that as well in our article folder. So we are over here, save. It says that it's failed, it's a network error, so we can try again. Just save it. And now it's saved. Okay, and the next thing is actually to open TeXmaker. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so here TeXmaker is open. So you can go here on File, Open. And we need to find Desktop Article. And then we are going to open AMOS template. So text file we are opening. Okay, and let's try to click on Quick Build to see if we are going to get a template like they show us in their website. And actually we saw we see now that we got the same template for our article like they had in their website. So actually here, if you see, this is pretty useful, and it will be pretty easy to structure your article, because article is already structured. You just need to write your own stuff there. And also, like I said before, it's very, very important that AMOS file is saved in the same folder as your text file, because otherwise this will not work, so you will get here an error when you try to recompile your file. So then you can start to write your article in LaTeX. So like I said, this will be my last video, so I hope you learned something for it, and I hope I encourage you to use LaTeX in writing your scientific papers. And see you some other time. Bye.